So, who's heard of the 5-zone kitchen? It's kind of a new thing, but the 5-zone kitchen is really adapted to the multifunctional approach and the multi-generational approach to kitchens in the modern age. So what we have is consumables, right? So that's everything that you eat. So they're the things that go in your pantry and in your fridge. There's non-consumables. So that's things like pots, pans, plates, glasses, etc., plasticware. You have a preparation zone, that's bench tops. You also have cleaning, so that is generally bin through to sink, through to dishwasher as a zone. And then the last one is cooking. So that is your cooktop and your oven. Those 5 zones need to be considered, how they work independent of each other, but also how the zones flow through to each other so that people can do different things in kitchens at different times or at the same time and be in the same space but in their own space.